Daenerys' dragons lash out at her and Drogon goes missing. Daenerys' dragons lash out at her and Drogon goes missing. Sansa is forced to marry Ramsay Bolton. Sansa is forced to marry Ramsay Bolton. Drogon saves Daenerys and flies off with her. Drogon saves Daenerys and flies off with her. Arya trains with the Faceless men. Arya trains with the Faceless men. Stannis challenges the Boltons for Winterfell and loses everything. Stannis challenges the Boltons for Winterfell and loses everything. Tyrion joins Daenerys. Tyrion joins Daenerys. Jon becomes Lord Commander of the Night's Watch and forges an alliance with the Wildlings, defeating a White Walker in the process. Jon becomes Lord Commander of the Night's Watch and forges an alliance with the Wildlings, defeating a White Walker in the process. Jon is slain by his brothers. Jon is slain by his brothers.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and like and comment down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.